A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will be learning about prepositions of time, since and for. So how do we use since and for? We use since for a point in time. That is when we need to mention the beginning or the starting time of an event or activity, we use since. I have been waiting for you since 6 o'clock. This means that I started waiting at 6 o'clock. And we use for with a period of time. That is when we need to mention the duration of time we spent doing certain thing. I have been working on my assignment for 2 hours. Now let's see how can we form different time expressions using for, and each of these time expressions are communicating a duration of time. For 6 years, for a week, for a month, for hours, for 2 hours. I have worked here for 5 years. Now let's see how we can form different sentences in present perfect tense using for. She has lived here for 20 years. We have studied at this school for a long time. Ali has been studying English for 3 months. They have waited for the bus for 2 hours. Now let's see how we can form time expressions using since, and each of these phrases are communicating the starting point of an event or activity or task. Since this morning, since last week, since yesterday, since I was a child, since Wednesday, since 2 o'clock. I have worked here since 2017. Let's see how we can form sentences in present perfect tense using since. She has lived here since 1980. We have taught at this school since 2017. Ali has been in this class since December 16th. They have been at Murray since last Tuesday. So what have we learned up till now? If this is the timeline and this is now, that is 2020, and this is the starting point, how will we express this in a sentence? I have been working in this institution since 2017. That means that I started working in this institution in 2017. This is the duration of time that I have worked at this institution up till now. So how will I say it? I have been working in this institution for 3 years. So this is the total duration of time that I have spent in this institution up till now. Let's see how we can form sentences using the perfect continuous tenses and use for and since in them. I've been waiting for you since 3 o'clock. They had been working for several hours. We had been writing letters for 2 hours. She has been sewing since morning. He will have been selling products for many days. It has been lapping milk for 10 minutes. I hope the use of since and for is clear. See you next time. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.